Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the blacklist here in Thailand. And I've had some people email us. I've seen some comments on YouTube. Basically, folks have been asking, look, what happens if I get blacklisted? I basically do my time. I remain abroad. I fulfill the terms of the blacklisting. And then I try to come back into Thailand. What are my odds of coming back? Well, I would say that's going to be very circumstantially dependent. I would say those that have been blacklisted for, like, for example, a decade, they might effectively just be blacklisted for life. Somebody may see that in the system and just say, look, I'm not going to take the chance of readmitting this person. That being said, somebody who's had like a 1-year blacklisting for having overstayed, this could happen in the context of somebody who doesn't fully understand, for example, their multiple entry non-immigrant visa, where they get it issued abroad, it's 1 year. They think that the expiration date on the sticker is the lawful status that's given at the time of entry, when in fact, for example, a multi-entry B visa, it's the stamp you get at every entry. So it's 90 days every time you're stamped in. So the thing to take away from this video is, yeah, you could see a person who, they made an honest error, thought that they were in status and overstayed by another 90 days before they found out, and then left, got blacklisted. That person, I think if they explain themselves when they're trying to re-enter and explain what happened, that they were put on the blacklist, I could see a situation where a reasonable adjudicating officer would say, yeah, okay, it was an error, you did your time, we're going to let you back in. That being said, these folks that you've heard about that have overstayed by 5 years in Thailand and are, their blacklisting may be 10 years only, at least on paper. But as a practical matter, immigration officers have the discretion to turn folks away based on various sections of the Immigration Act. And they might see a prolonged blacklisting and just say, I don't really want to be on the hook for letting this person back in, especially as they show a proclivity for being willing to overstay for a fairly long period of time. So I would say it's going to be circumstantially dependent, and I think common sense probably prevails. There are probably going to be cases that are somewhere in the middle, where it was a person that was kind of on a rather more prolonged overstay, but all things being equal, they weren't really trying to do anything nefarious. Again, it's going to be touch and go, and you're going to have to deal with that on a case-by-case basis. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.